Hey guys, Isaac here again, and today we're going to be continuing Kill the Plumber. Let's go. World 326. This one's annoying. No, stop, stop, stop. Come on. Did I do it? I did it, I think. Yeah, he can't get away from that. Yes! First try today. First try. Oh, I have to let him get all his power coins. That sucks. Aw. How are you supposed to do that one? No. No, no. Dang it. I didn't get far enough, did I? Okay, come on. No. I didn't do good enough. See ya. See you, Mario. You're gonna die, Mario. Mario's going down. Nope, I'm going down. He saw me die. Come on. Nope, I didn't get far enough. How am I supposed to do this? Maybe I should wait right there. No, that isn't. Ooh, watch out, he's invincible. Let him collect our power coins to disable his powers. Well, that's dandy. Except I can't run away fast enough. So sad. I'm not good enough. Oh, I'm not good enough to beat him. No, almost. Almost. Dang it. So close. He's invincible, blah, blah, blah. Am I gonna get him this time? Nope. What about this time? No. I think I have a better tactic. If I wait up here, like right here, and then I go as soon as he leaves, I might be able to get him. Come on. No! Crap. Maybe I have to wait like right here. Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, please. Where am I? Oh. Jump! No. No. Maybe this will work? Dang. Right there. Come on. Dang it. Okay. I go right here. Yes. Come on. No. I want to go right here. Yes. Am I doing good? Am I doing bad? So close. Yes! Boom! 2, 3. Only took me 4.5 minutes. Oh, dang it. Get out. No, no, don't do it. Dang it. How am I supposed to do this? Ah, dog. Okay, I'm just gonna stay up here. Let him run out of time. I'm gonna get his face. Yeah. What? I totally got him. Did he hit me with a fireball? Come on. jumped into me and I killed his face. I can fire. Dang it. How am I supposed to do this? No. Maybe when he tries jumping. Dang it. Dang it. I need to fire earlier. Go. Nope. After. Let's say when he gets to the yellow star. Past the yellow star. That brick I fire. Yes! 11 seconds. What am I doing? Oh, I know. Come on. I have an idea. No. Restart. Okay, so I need to get him to jump. Nope. Restart. Jump. So close. Fire. Yeah. 27. Ooh. How am I supposed to do this? I think I'm supposed to get him over there. How? Maybe if I fire a bullet at the right time? No. So close. No. How is he not getting hit? Maybe I have to use the ghost? He totally just got hit by that bullet. No. Maybe I shouldn't fire any bullets? No. Huh. Let me try and find a tactic here. I'll be back. I think I found a bit of a tactic here. No. Yes! There we go. You have to make him jump into your ghosts. Because he's defenseless. He's at it again. Our poser coins will weaken him. Good. Guten Stog. I have to get him on there. I think I have to. Yeah. Go, Mario. Come on. It's not that hard, Mario. Dang it. Our poser coins will weaken him. Oh, yep. I have to get him up there. I have to be his caretaker. Nope. How do I do this? Okay, so I think I need to fire one of those to get him over there. And then when he gets over there, I need to get him to the green ones over there. Nope. Need to fire when he gets right there. Right there. So close. Come on, Mario. You're better than this. It won't let me fire quick enough. So I need to fire when it gets there. Boom. Nope. So close. I'm too late. I do fire. How do you do this? Okay, as soon as he gets onto that platform. No! I can't get him with that guy until he gets those green coins, which I don't know how to do. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna die. It's taking forever. Okay, I'm gonna try and find a tactic. Okay, so from what I've learned, he should be able to do that. Then no! This is so hard. Okay. Launching it too early. Again. Do I have to get him back up there? Yep. I need to launch it as soon as he gets there. No! Okay, guys, this game has caused enough aggravating mind-blowingness, but I'm gonna have to leave you here. I'll try to learn a better way to beat it. See you guys all tomorrow.